Welcome back to our channel, guys. I also want to welcome the new subscribers who are first time subscribers watching our videos, and I thank you so much for taking your time to watch our videos. So don't forget at the end of the video to click notification bell so that you can also be notified when we post new content on this channel. Guys, we're just going to be looking at the concluding part of the Windows installation. So I'm not going to take much of your time. It seems the window guy and his boys are right on schedule. They are right, making sure that everything is done at the time specified that they're going to finish the job. Okay guys, sit back, relax, and let's just watch the video.
Don't worry, keep climbing. You just came down from it. If you had to fall, you will have fallen since. Look at you are using your knee. Wait until you fall. That's when you know it's not good. Is it oversized? Hey, Bright, really? You putting your leg on the frame? If you break any of the frame, it's going to be on you. Elvis, no pipe. I told you just did that pipe yesterday. You see, there's a mistake in that thing. You see it, or you can't see what I'm saying.
Oh, I see.
What did he say?
What is the mistake?
But you say you saw it.
We will do it.
Let me show you what I'm saying. What I'm saying might be different from what you see.
We will see.
This part is not laying well. The bottom part is laying well. The upper part is not laying well. The window itself, when you slide it and it closes, the upper part is not laying well. You see? Not that one, the one inside.
The rollers, you need to adjust it.
Because it's like this.
Yeah, so you need to do it like this.
So if you put the rollers, it comes back and lay flat on the side. I'm going to check it. I'm checking everything. Because I know you, Elvis. You want to go home and meet your wife. Because if it doesn't lay well, when it rains, water will come in. Still, there's still gap at the top. It's still not parallel. It's still at an angle. Still. Even that one too. Where your hand is not laying well. You see it? It's not even going in. So with time, where did it go back? You are just around the corner. I'll just come to your house. Because I'm sure this thing will go back to where I used to be. Because when they keep opening it and slam it, to go back. So how many warranty? How many years warranty? Elvis.
It's a work. And
Yeah, you have to give warranty on your work. Because you did the frame, you did everything, you did the windows, you did the glass.
I can work perfectly, but maybe the
Maybe what? Installing this alone, you see how it is.
like it's a machine.
It's not machine.
Like we use machine.
No, this one is what you adjust. If you adjust it, fine.
I won't back it. Won't back it by. I have more numbers no. One head in and prefer. Why? So we have a capra and capato.
sun. I don't even know if I'm seeing this or not, but I believe so. So this is it. Give you a thumbs up in the video. Some of them don't have the windows yet, so he's going to make adjustment. So this is the thing here. This one, if you want to close, you see it. You touch it here. So you can't close. When the boys are back coming to put the locks on this one. So they're coming to put the locks here. So this one will lock here. And this one will lock here at the same time. So let me open the net. So this one will lock here. But now, that's what they're coming to do right now. So they're going to put the first lock. But the problem is this middle one. You see where this bar is? This bar is touching it. So even if you're going to open it, you see it, you're going to lock it, cannot lock. Unless probably if this is like you use a hammer to hit it to the side, then maybe it will, because you can see it's just right there. So whichever one is not locking at the center, that means this bar is stopping it. You can see it. That means the bar is stopping it. That's why. But now they're coming to put this one, this tiny thing that you are putting here.
Lock.
It's too tiny. Let me see. Can this one hold anything?
It can hold it well.
Because if we put this one right here, it's very tiny. Is it right here where you put it?
Yeah.
Where is the one that you've done? Huh? Where is the one that you've already done?
I can't hear you.
Where is the one that you've already done?
Yeah. You can go and watch.
Where?
At the back of the house.
What about here? Have we done this one?
Yeah. Finished.
So here, It cannot open. It's locked. Let me see. Then you open it. That's the lock. Okay. So it goes here. Okay, I don't get it. I was thinking it's going to go here. Don't know that it's the bolt that will go here. So the lock that will go there. Then you lock it. It's locked. So immediately you close it, it locks. The same thing on this side. So immediately you close it, it locks. Immediately you close it, it locks. It's like this one, the center is not obscure, it's not disturbed, so it's open. So let me see. So it's locked, and now it's opened. Oh. Okay, I think it's locked. Let me see. It's okay. This is open, and this is locked. So let me open it and lock it back. Then let me lock it here too. So that's locked. Then when you try to open it, it's not open. Let me open the net. Now then, so the net too is very stout. Hello. The net has derailed. It's not on it.
Okay.
Keeps coming off. That side too has come off again. That means it's short. Is this short?
Oh, okay.
It is short.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Hey guys, we've now come to the end of the Windows installation. We went through some problems whilst the boys are doing the final touch-ins to the Windows. We're still going to do a walkthrough with their master. So just make sure that you keep an eye on everything that they are doing for you. Guys, if you know this has impacted something in you, share the video with your family, friends, colleagues, everywhere that you think they might need it. Give us the usual fat thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we post new content on this channel. Give us your opinion, your suggestions in the comment section. We'll really appreciate that. Guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.